refined in the Fires of Yahuah series. Sermon 5, The Furnace of Affliction. Theme: Yahweh chooses us and transforms us through the heat of hardship. Primary text: Isaiah 48 verse 10. Supporting scriptures: Zechariah 13 verse 9, 2 Timothy 2 verse 15, a 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 21, Romans 14 verse 12, a Revelation 3 verse 18, a 1 Corinthians 3 verses 13 to 14. Introduction. We often view suffering as a sign of failure or divine absence, but Scripture reveals something deeper. Yahweh refines His chosen ones in affliction, not apart from it. Behold, I have refined thee, but not with silver. I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction. Isaiah 48 verse 10. 1. Affliction is not rejection. Isaiah 48 verse 10. Yahweh says, I have chosen thee in affliction, not despite it. His choosing is not about comfort, it's about consecration. The furnace reveals who is truly His. Key insight: if you are in affliction, it may be evidence that Yahweh has chosen you for something greater. 2. Fire is for the remnant. Zechariah 13 verse 9. Yahweh says He will bring 1/3 through the fire, refine them, and say, they are my people. Not everyone goes through the fire, but those He loves, He purifies. Refinement is a sign of belonging, not abandonment. 3. The furnace separates the worthless from the worthy. 1 Corinthians 3 verses 13 to 14. Gold, silver, and precious stones survive. Wood, hay, and stubble burn away. Affliction will strip away what's fake and preserve what's real. 4. Suffering prepares you to stand. 2 Timothy 2 verse 15, Romans 14 verse 12. The workman must be approved, and that approval is forged in pressure. Each of us will give an account. Are we letting affliction shape us into vessels worthy of Yahweh? 5. Spiritual maturity requires testing. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 21, Revelation 3 verse 18. Test all things. Hold fast to what is good. Yahshua calls us to buy gold tried in the fire, white garments, and eye salve. The furnace produces spiritual clarity, righteousness, and lasting faith. Conclusion and final challenge. The series began with the truth that the day will declare it. And now we end with the reminder that Yahweh chooses His people in fire. Don't despise your affliction, embrace its purpose. You are being made ready. You are being made holy. Virtual altar call. If you've been struggling in the fire, don't run from it. Let Yahweh finish His work. You are being refined, not rejected. Step forward and declare, I am chosen in the furnace of affliction.